Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Sarah. In this video, I'm going to be doing unboxing of the mystery box from Oden's I. This is the large one, so if you're interested, keep watching and let's do it. Alright guys, this is the large mystery box from Oden's I. I love trying new brands. Just exciting. I haven't tried this brand before. I don't think I have anything from them in my collection. So I thought this was a great way to try their products. I love mystery boxes. I love when brands come out with these mystery bundles and stuff like that. I really do love them. So let's get into it. I'm going to open it up. Let me know if y'all tried this brand before, how you like it. Let me know. So this is what it looks like. I just opened it. So let's see what's in here. It comes all nice and packaged. Oh, it comes with a little mirror. I love that. A little compact mirror. It says Oden's I on it. That's what it looks like. Nice two double-sided mirror. I definitely need that. I'm using it right now. Next I got, let's see what this is. It says Saga of Freya. Let me open it. It says Oden's I. I don't know. It looks like one of those cans when you clean your makeup brushes and you swipe it in there. Let me see if that's what it is. It's really pretty on the design on it. Yep, that's what it is. So it's one of those cans. I have some of these that I use. You take one of your brushes and you sweep it in there and it actually takes the product off, so you can use it again without the product on it. And I actually love these, so I'm excited to have that. I love the color and the actual design on this is super pretty. Let's see what we got next. This says Oden's I Norn's Mesmerizer Spring of Life. Look at how beautiful that looks. The packaging is so pretty. So let's open it up. That's the way it looks. So pretty. Look how pretty that is. Definitely very pretty. Let's swatch it. It's very soft. That is very pretty. Oh, I love the packaging. Let's see. The next thing I pick up, it says Alva Oden's I Matte Lip Stain. This one looks like it's in Alva Matte Lip Stain M205 Dry Mattes. I don't normally use matte lipsticks because my lips are so dry, but some formulas I do love because they're moisturizing but matte. This is how the box looks. Let's see, let's open her up. That's what it says. This is so pretty. So that's the packaging. I love how that looks. Don't know what that was. Let me swatch it so we'll see what it looks like. Ooh, that's a deep color. A very deep. It smells like candy, I think. It smells like a little sweet. Like sweet. So cute. I actually love the packaging for everything. It's like one of those things like you don't want to throw the packaging away, but I do. So the next thing I pick up, it says Alva Oden's I Cream Lip Stain. So this is the cream formula. It is A103 Sweet Tulip. So this is what the packaging looks like. That's the color. And we'll open her up and see what it looks like. I think I have my first vlog going to be coming up. I did perform this eye look. I also want to tell you that I have the new Be Perfect collection, the Rain collection. It has the 3 gel pots with the palette. I do have that look. It's going to be coming up Friday. This video is going to be Monday, but I'm filming on Mother's Day, so happy Mother's Day to all you mothers out there, animal, human alike. So this is this one. Let's see, let's swatch it. Ooh, that's so pretty. So that is the more creamier version of their lip stain. So pretty. I love the packaging. Love, love, love that packaging. Should have done a whole look with this stuff. I don't know. This is the cream lipstick S103 and brown rose. So this is the packaging. Let's see what it looks like. Look at their lipstick. That is so pretty. I love it. It's like a flat, not like a pink, like a blush color. All right, so this one is in brown rose S103. So these two do look similar. This one's lighter though. I like that. So pretty. Look at the detail on the lipstick. I love lipsticks that are so pretty, like the packaging. It goes right up there so I could have it and look at the packaging. So the next thing I pick up, it says BUTTT Mini Eyeshadow Palette, Oden's Eye. Let me open it up. So this is what the outside looks like. Let's see what the palette. It has a sleeve. The palette itself, it looks exactly like the sleeve. It really feels nice. The packaging feels really nice. It's cardboard, but it has like this texture to it. It has a mirror in there. That is the palette. Let's do some swatches. So that's 3 of the shades. Very pigment. I didn't do too good. Oh, they're very soft. Very soft formula. I can't wait to try it. It looks like they do have a shimmer in this palette, which is this one. So this is the whole palette swatch. These 4 shades. You can like lightly see this shade right here. It is a very light shade. Let's try the middle. It's actually 2 shades. Just mixed them together. Now I will say, swatching, the shadows feel very, very light. Very light. Not very intense. So I don't know how that's going to perform on the eye, but I can't wait to play with it. Let's see what we got next. It looks like another palette. This says Oden's Eye Highlighter Palette. This is what the packaging looks like. It comes with the sleeve. The inside looks the same. The packaging is that same like texture. It's very, very nice. It feels like it's very nice quality. It has that same design as on the sleeve. So it comes with 4 different highlights. Let's swatch them. This is 2. Once again, the formula is very, very light. Like the formula, it feels so light and soft. And this is the other 2 that's in there. Definitely have to play around with it. That is so pretty. Loving it so far. I might have to do a whole look with this box. I could do, well, mostly I'll have highlighter, lipsticks, eyeshadow palette, highlighter palettes. Let's see what this is. This is the last thing in the box. This says Alba eyeshadow palette. So this is another eyeshadow palette. Alright, so this is the last item in the box. It is a eyeshadow palette. Look how pretty. The little fairy. Is that a fairy? The palette seems very much of high quality. It's that textured outside. It is cardboard, but it just seems like it's really high quality. It's well made. This is a mirror on one end. This is what it looks like up close. Oop. Hope y'all can see that. I will do some swatches of these shimmers. Once again, they feel very, very light. Like very, very soft. Very, very light. I'm running out of arm room. So we'll have to play with. Judging by the swatches, I'm not too sure about the formulas. It's so very, very light. Light. But that's not going to say how it performs on the eyes. I will not know that until I actually place it on my skin and try it out. So I can't wait to do that. I think I'm going to play around with this palette, and if it's any good, I will do a whole video dedicated to it maybe. So I can't wait to try all of these products. I will let y'all know what do I think about Oden's Eye formula. So it comes with the highlighter palette. I got 2 eyeshadow palettes. I got the brush cleaner. I got the mirror. And let's see what else we got here. We got some lipsticks, another like highlighter, or you could use that on your eyes. Got an actual lipstick also. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 products I got in this mystery. What do y'all think? Have y'all tried Oden's Eye formula before? Let me know. Let's talk about it. If you're interested in me trying these products, let me know, because I can dedicate a video to actually trying them on camera and capturing that. If you're interested in this brand and you just haven't purchased from them yet, let me know. Alright guys, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I know I enjoyed this unboxing. I love doing unboxing. It's so much fun. Alright guys, y'all have a blessed day.